Good morning, vlog. That's cat. Today is Sunday morning, and because it's a long weekend, we're happy today. Because there's still no work tomorrow. But kakagising lang namin. Oh, 12:48, kakabangon lang namin from bed. We were just watching videos sa ano. Tapos wala pa akong hilamos. Sorry. We're just gonna make breakfast right now. Cup.
That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
our breakfast is going to be scrambled eggs and century tuna. Pero yung rice, wala pa. I'm just making rice and then we're gonna eat. But anyways, since it's Sunday, chill lang tayo ngayon. Siguro mag-grocery lang mamaya mabilisan for produce kasi may meats na tayo. So yeah, we have to have a weekly meeting of trying to figure out what our ulams and food is for the week. So yeah, yun lang. BRB muna. Okay, tayo na kami. Tapos na yung rice. Tapos na yung rice. Rice is here. Tapos na siya. And hello, what's up guys? This is Century Tuna. And then, hello, what's up guys? This is scrambled eggs. Ako si Jennifer Coolidge from White Lotus. Oh my god. Okay, so this is my breakfast. Tapos si Kat kumukuha na ng breakfast doon. Actually, lunch na to kasi magwa-1 na rin. Nanonood lang kami ng ngayon kasi it's a chill day because maganda yung weather sa labas, wala masyadong rain, but siguro mamaya tayo aalis if mag-grocery, but yeah. Chill lang muna dito sa bahay. This is what we're gonna watch, the menu. Okay, should I play it?
Yeah. 2,000 years later.
Hello everyone. Nasaan ba tayo?
Papunta tayo ngayon ng Edmund Station kasi may binibenta ko sa marketplace na yung shelf na sabi ko sa inyo na nasa labas, binibenta namin agad. Kaya may meet kami kasi kakabenta ko lang din doon sa plant namin na crystallinum.
Yeah. Nabenta.
Crystal, if you're watching this, we miss you and we enjoyed the bonding times that we had together.
Hindi, mas mabuti na din na nabenta namin siya kasi alam namin na maalagaan siya. And sana maalagaan siya din ng next na magiging owner ng plant na yun, na si Crystal.
Mary, if you're watching this, salamat. Sana you take care of Crystal and sana mag-thrive siya dyan.
Yeah, kasi ang dami na naming plants, guys, na since nung nag-winter.
At saka nung nag-return to office na kami na more than 2 days a week. Parang hindi ko na rin sila na pag-anuhan ng pansin kasi di ba pag dating mo sa bahay nakakapagod na rin, pero nung work from home, siyempre sa umaga muni-muni ka, magwa-water pero ngayon kasi ang hirap na, tsaka ang dami nila, tapos nakaka-stress din pag nakakalimutan mo silang paliguan kasi
May nag-message. Compost bin.
kasi ang fragile ng mga yun.
Yeah, so minabuti na namin na ibenta na lang sila kaysa mamatay pa sila sa amin, di ba?
Saan ang Edmund Station dito? Hindi siya nag-ano.
I think straight dun sa
Hindi, feeling ko.
18th dito ata.
Shit.
Okay. Teka lang guys, teka lang. Ayun na pala.
Okay, we're waiting right now dun sa pick up ng shelf. Waiting tayo. Tapos nito mag grocery tayo saglit lang. Tapos na.
Tapos siguro maghanap kami ng something gagawin kasi long weekend, diba? So walang work bukas. So siguro we'll see.
Wala nang night. Sige, mamaya na.
Okay, so na-pick up na yung yung
Yes, that's 2 items today.
IKEA
I
bin.
feel like such a businessman.
Wow. Na-pick up na yung IKEA bin and then yung ibang mga products na pinost din namin sa marketplace. May nagbe-message din naman. And then hopefully by Tuesday may pick up din sa isang trash bin na pinost namin. So yeah, ngayon papunta na tayo ng superstore.
Grocery time.
Mag-grocery na tayo. Okay, see you guys!
Hey guys, nandito na tayo sa Metro Town. Dito tayo magsa-superstore ngayong gabi. So, pag-uusapan lang namin mabilisan ang aming kainin this week. And then, papasok na tayo. And, superstore. This is on sale. Which is now $2.49. What the heck? This is all online. Not online. Hi guys. So, ano oras na? 10? 11? 12? 12 na ba?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, no? Nasa TV.
I think that's delayed. Wait. 12 na. So, I think that's it. Kasi, tapos na yung araw. Umuwi na kami ngayon. We're home. We're in the living room right now. Ayan, nakatulog na rin si Kat kasi sumakit yung ulo niya. Sumakit yung ulo niya kanina nung pauwi. Tapos, nanood na lang kami ng The Last of Us. And then, super cool kasi yung The Last of Us, ang setting nila sa State. So, at saka sa Canmore. Tapos, makikita mo pa yung yung Three Sisters na mountain. Anyways, so cool. Pero, yeah. Follow up sa grocery namin ngayon. Diba, wala na kami binibili na meat. Kaya ang grocery namin ngayon this week, kung yung produce lang, kasi bumili din kami ng napkins because you know, we're girls and we get our periods. Lalo na si Kat, 6 months ang period niya. So, bumili kami ng napkin and that was $10. Honestly, dapat nga free yung mga napkins eh. Government, what are we doing? Kasi, diba, guys don't have to spend on napkins. And that's a thing that happens to us. Anyways, $10 yun. Pero if we didn't buy that, $25 lang. $25 lang yung...
29.
Yeah, mga $30 lang ang aming grocery. Hindi, kasi 35 yung grocery natin, $10 yun. $25 lang ang grocery natin this week. But, hindi counted yung kahapon kasi, diba kahapon kahapon, nag-shopping kami for mga panlinis and we spent $60 on that. Pero yung panlinis na yun, good for siguro mga 6 months, you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Mga ganun, mga 6 months. And necessary naman talaga yung mga panlinis. Especially pag may mga bisita. And this weekend na dapat in-anticipate namin na pupunta si Lemore, yung pinsan ko, pero hindi siya natuloy. Kaya naglinis na kami. Pero this coming next months, may mga family ako na pupunta rin. So we need it for cleaning and making our place presentable. And then naglinis din kami sa labas, kaya yeah. So $25, that's pretty good. And then ang dami pa naming meat, siguro good for yun for maybe 3 months. And magkano yung meat natin nun? 100, no?
Mga ganun.
Yeah, mga 100. So, we did save. Kasi kung weekly namin yun, ang produce namin with meats is almost like $70 now dahil sa inflation na prices. Tapos kanina, nakakatawa kasi nung nag-check out na kami sa superstore, may onion ako na malaki, medium size onion na binili or tinake dun sa checkout. Tapos sabi ko dun kay tita na nag-work sa superstore, hindi ko nakukunin kasi $2 and 60 something cents. And then, parang ang mahal. Kaya, meron pa naman akong reserve na isa pa dito. Kaya sabi ko, hindi na lang tutuloy. Tapos, si tita, sabi niya na, ano ba yung sabi niya?
Sabi niya, bakit? Oo nga naman, sa Pilipinas ka, mahal na lang na onion.
Oo. Tapos nakakatawa lang kasi ang funny ni tita, parang close na close sila ni Kat kanina. Nagpapaluan sila dun. Pero, yeah, tapos after noon, wala na, umuwi na rin kami, nanood kami dito. Tapos nakatulog si Kat ng a little bit. And then, ako nag-chill lang dito, nag-i-edit. So, yeah. That's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. Puro ako yung nakita nyo ngayon kasi si Kat may period and dysmenorrhea and may headache siya tonight. So, sana hindi na kayo nauumay sa amin and that you keep on watching us. Thank you all for watching and please subscribe to us if you want.
Bakit if you want?
Well, because I don't want to force people. And ayoko lang na sabihin nyo na pino-force namin kayo na mag-subscribe or something. Kasi choice nyo naman yan. If you want to support your Vancouver gals, do it. But, if kung ayaw nyo, okay lang din. But, if you subscribe, you will always get access to, our videos. Kasi magno-notify yun, diba? I don't know. But anyways, thanks for subscribing. And thanks for watching. And if you have anything that you want us to try or do it. I mean, comment. And then we'll do it. Yun lang. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. See you on our next vlog, which is on Friday. Peace. Peace and love and inflation no more.